would like to also echo the sentiments of the Prime Minister in the sense of we looked forward to see the progress when we were here the last time. And I must say, even the other day when I had a tour, I was very much impressed with the progress that we made thus far. I would like to thank all the stakeholders, the SMHDF, the Steering Committee, the World Bank, the Trust Fund, NRPB, and the entire project team for all the hard work that they're putting in. This is the first time, and it's a proud moment for me as the Minister of Public Housing, that Belvedere has been touched in such a serious way over the last 25 years. So I would like to say to those stakeholders involved, thank you, because definitely this is something that would benefit the people of St. Martin. There's a dire need for social homes here in St. Martin, and we see the product of what is taking place here. And I look forward to coming back, as the contractor mentioned, within soon. I'm not gonna put a month to it, but within soon to see this come to fruition, and also the handover of the keys to those respective persons, because I know that we'll be coming into something totally new, and that would be the trendsetter to have the domino effect for the entire Belvedere and the repairs. Thank you very much.